Ready, start. In exercise of the powers conferred under Section 95 read with Section 49 within bracket 12 of the Chhattisgarh Panchayat Raj Adhiniyam, 1993, the state government has made Chhattisgarh Gram Panchayat within bracket regulating places for disposal of dead bodies, carcasses and other offensive matter bracket close rules, 1999, full stop. That, Rule 3 mandates disposal of the corpse within 24 hours, whereas Rule 4 casts a duty on the Gram Panchayat to arrange for disposal of corpse, and Rule 5 provides for place for disposal of corpse, full stop. According to this deponent, there is no separate graveyard for Christians at village Chhindwada, which contained the signatures of Sarpanch, Up Sarpanch and Panchas, close semicolon, that, there is no objection if the appellant performs the funeral rites of his deceased father in the nearby village Karkapal, which is situated near village Chhindwada, where there is a separate graveyard for the Christian community, full stop. That, in the past few years, disputes have arisen between the people belonging to Mahara Christian community and tribal community owing to their religious beliefs. Full stop. That every time a member of Mahara Christian community dies, the police reach at the place of occurrence of death so as to avoid any heated exchange between the parties and to help them to find a solution or a common ground in case any dispute arises between the parties. Full stop. It is also averred in para 13 that if the respective communities are unable to find a solution, the governmental bodies usually suggest the Mahara Christian community to use their respective private lands as their burial ground, and in case that fails, then the police suggests the Christian community to carry burial ceremonies at the government burial grounds situated at Karkapal, which is approximately 40-45 kilometers far from Chhindwada, close, full stop. According to the learned Solicitor General appearing for the state of Chhattisgarh, the distance to Karkapal should be read as 20-25 kilometers away from Chhindwada, full stop. The aforesaid affidavit is followed by another affidavit dated 21/1/2025, wherein the ASP, District Bastar has averred that the state of Chhattisgarh is essentially a tribal state and has its peculiar socio-economic position. Full stop. The tribals customarily do not resort to cremation at the time of death, but they bury their dead in a separate designated place for burial. Full stop. This is a Hindu tribal burial site, full stop, close. That, there are some tribals who are converted Christians and they follow Christianity as their religion, full stop. That in the village in question there are only 100 converted Christians as against the total population of 6,450, full stop. As a result, one burial ground is designated for 3 to 4 villages depending upon the number of Christians in each village, full stop. It is averred that rules specify and designate a particular earmarked place for cremation or burial for Muslim/Hindu tribals/other Hindus who bury the dead/Christians, full stop. That merely because, that in the past in few occasions, the Hindu tribals permitted their burial grounds to be used for burial of two persons, cannot be construed as waiver of fundamental rights by Hindu tribal community, since the fundamental rights can never be waived, full stop.